I have a Google Ads campaign running, but I can't see my ads. Is my agency ripping me off? If you are one of those people who is searching for your keywords or your brand name every 2 minutes, don't do it because it is harming your campaign. What happens is if you keep doing that, your CTRs are going to go down, and Google will know, oh, this guy, whenever he searches, doesn't click on the ads. They're gonna stop showing you the ads because with the smart bidding, Google is in the business of getting the right click so that they can get that conversion for the client. If they keep showing ads and you're not getting any conversions, yes, your impressions are going to go up, your CTR is going to go down, your quality score is going to suffer, your CPC is going to go high, your ad rank is going to go low. So many things is going to happen just because of you checking every 2 minutes on your phone or computer whether my ads are running or not. You can see in your dashboard how many impressions, how many clicks, CTR, all the data. You don't need to be obsessed about seeing your ads every 2 seconds. So no, it's the agency is not ripping you off just because you don't see your ads. If you really want to see, then you go to your Google Ads account and go to the ad preview tool under tools and settings, and that's how you will be able to see whether your ads are running or not without having any effect on your campaign.